Hello, ARMY and BTS fans all over the world. Today's story will touch your heart and make you appreciate the deep bond between our beloved BTS members even more. From the oldest young Jin to our golden maknae Jeong-guk, this emotional military reunion has left us speechless. What really happened during Jin's thoughtful visit to Taehyung and Jungkook's military training? Why did their reactions touch so many people so much? Let's dive deeper into this story that reveals BTS's unbreakable brotherhood. As the first BTS member to enlist and complete his military service, Jin has been a role model for the rest of the members in dealing with the challenges of military life. After returning to civilian life, his decision to visit the military camp caught the attention of many. Fans wondered if this was just a casual visit between a senior and junior, or if it had a deeper meaning, something unspoken but very meaningful. One of the most touching moments of the visit happened when Jin met Taehyung. Known for his strict and disciplined attitude during training, Taehyung couldn't hide his emotions when he saw Jin. According to reliable sources, Taehyung appeared very emotional, his eyes welling up with tears as he embraced Jin warmly. The moment was a stark departure from Taehyung's usually calm and collected image, raising speculation about the challenges he may have faced in training that made this encounter so meaningful. Meanwhile, Jungkook's reaction added another layer of intrigue to the story. Usually cheerful and energetic, Jeong-guk appeared more subdued and introspective when he met Jin. His signature smile was replaced by a serious expression, raising speculation about what was on his mind. Reports suggest that the moment made Jeong-guk reflect on his life journey, especially his role as the youngest member to successfully complete training. Jin's presence may have been inspiring, but it also brought immense pressure. Jin's visit wasn't just about reminiscing about old times. As a senior, Jin gave Jeong-guk valuable advice on how to face the challenges of the military. His words came not just from a friend, but also from a mentor who wanted to provide moral strength. But was Jin's guidance enough to ease Jungkook's burden? In addition to reuniting with Taehyung and Jeong-guk, Jin also took the time to interact with the other soldiers at the camp. His humble attitude left a deep impression on many. Despite his global celebrity status, Jin chose to share his personal experiences during his military service, setting an example of resilience and adaptability to new recruits. Some observers even believe that the visit was meant to provide a glimmer of hope for those just starting out in the challenging world of the military. Amid the camaraderie and laughter, there were moments when Jin appeared pensive, sparking curiosity about what was on his mind. Could he miss some aspects of military life, even though he has completed his service? Or is there another reason behind his reflective attitude? Jin has previously spoken about how his military service taught him discipline, resilience, and a strong sense of responsibility. This visit may have brought back memories of those times, inviting a mix of nostalgia and personal reflection. Jin's visit was more than just a casual reunion. For Taehyung and Jeong-guk, his presence held a deeper meaning. Jin is not only a senior in the military, but also a friend who has been with them since the early days of BTS. His arrival at the military camp was a symbol of support and moral strength for the two BTS members as they navigate the challenges of their military life. Taehyung's emotional reaction further fueled speculation about what kind of military experience he may have had. Could Taehyung have been struggling with some kind of pressure that made the reunion so touching? Or was it simply a reminder of the importance of friendship and support between members? Without any official word, these questions remain open to interpretation. For Jeong-guk, his serious demeanor suggests that he may be thinking about his future within the group and his career after his service. As the youngest member, there may be a sense of responsibility weighing on his shoulders, and Jin's visit was a moment of self-reflection that affected his thoughts. Jin's visit to the military camp was a reminder that, despite their global celebrity status, the BTS members still put their relationships first and support each other. This moment not only shows their unshakable bond, but also how they are able to overcome challenges live together. The reunion reminds us that BTS is a family that always supports each other, no matter what. Interestingly, Jin's visit coincided with his preparations for his solo debut on The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon on November 20th. This adds an interesting layer to the story, showing how Jin manages to balance his professional life and meaningful relationships. For Taehyung and Jeong-guk, Jin's visit was more than just a reunion. It was a source of strength and a reminder of the unbreakable bond that has weathered many challenges together. Their reactions, though different, showed just how profound Jin's presence was. It's proof that BTS is a family that always supports each other, even through life's bumpy journeys. During this meaningful visit, Jin not only interacted with Taehyung and Jeong-guk, but also showed the depth of his soul and wisdom as a senior. As someone who has gone through a lot of experience in the military, Jin not only talked about the challenges he faced, but also encouraged his two colleagues to look at life from a broader perspective. Jin delivers a powerful message about the importance of patience and mental toughness, reminding them that the challenges faced in the military are part of the journey of life that must be accepted with an open heart. However, Jin's arrival at the military camp also makes us realize his role as more than just a member of BTS. He is a figure who brings calm and confidence to the other members. When we see Taehyung and Jeong-guk's reactions, we can feel how important Jin's presence is in their journey. Not only as a senior who gives advice, but as a friend who gives unconditional support. This is a relationship that goes deeper than just a professional bond on stage. They are family who support each other in difficult situations. On the other hand, the more introspective feelings seen in Jeong-guk show how big a role Jin has played in his maturation process. As the maknae who is always the center of attention, Jeong-guk often feels burdened by high expectations from fans and his peers. However, through this moment, he gets the space to reflect on the steps he will take in his life after undergoing military training. Jin's presence as a mentor and friend enlightens Jeong-guk, rekindling the spirit to move forward with more confidence. Jin's visit also had a big impact on BTS fans. Taehyung and Jeong-guk's very emotional reactions touched many people, touching the hearts of those who have studied BTS's friendship and struggles. Behind the fame and media spotlight, BTS fans often forget that BTS members are also ordinary people who have to live lives full of challenges. Through this story, we are invited to understand their human side better, how they support each other and become a source of strength for each other in difficult times. As the first member to complete his military service, Jin showed how he was able to face it with maturity and wisdom. A journey filled with valuable lessons about physical and mental resilience. Jin did not only do it for himself, but also to inspire the other members. This visit was more than just an emotional reunion. It was a symbol of the strength of BTS's friendship and hard work that continues to inspire many people. This visit reminded us that BTS is not just a music group, but also an example of how true human relationships can overcome any obstacles. Thank you for watching, Army. If you found this story as touching as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more BTS updates. Leave your comments below. What did you think of Jin's visit and Taehyung and Jeong-guk's reactions? Until next time, stay safe and keep spreading BTS love and positivity.
Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air.